Hi everyone, back again for another Clay at Home video. This week the project we have for you is called Cast of Thousands. Cast of Thousands started off as a project that we ran through our Clay School programme. It was all based around making small figures to represent school children across the city in Stoke-on-Trent. We managed to get children from over 20 schools within the city making figures, which resulted in over 5,500 figures at our British Ceramics Biennial Festival in 2019. They were really impressive. Everyone was completely different. So we gave everyone a basic way of making a figure, which I'm going to demonstrate for you in a moment. And then there were no rules. You could make your figure into any person you wanted. We asked people to make themselves, but a lot of people made famous people that they admired, or people in their family, people that they knew, and they didn't just stop at making the people. Sometimes they had accessories and pets and all sorts of things that went along with them. So it was a great project because no figure was the same. Everyone was completely different, and this is what we want you guys to do for us this week. We have a pack to go with this video that guides you through some activities that you can do with the figures, but the main thing that we want to do is we have a challenge for you to create a lockdown superhero. So we want you to be thinking about who do we need right now, who's really important, who is doing everything they can to keep us going in this really difficult time. There is a worksheet where you can design your hero, and then using your clay or your salt dough, you can then make your hero as well. So here we go. Here is the demonstration coming up for you. Okay, so we are going to make our Cast of Thousands figure here. You don't need a big amount of clay, but what we're going to do is going to roll lots of sausages. They are going to be the way that we are going to create our figure. So first off here, I'm starting from the bottom and going up, so I am rolling sausages for the legs. Now you'll notice that I haven't done two separate legs. I've done one long sausage and curved it over. This helps your figure stay a bit more stable, so we do this with the arms as well. So if you put two legs on, there's a good chance they might fall off, whereas if we do it this way, you can see it's being attached onto the body there. So we'll make your figures much more stronger to do it that way. Body there is a shorter, fatter sausage, and then we're going to do the arms, which again are a similar method to the legs. Nice long sausage, much thinner, which are going to go across the top of the body to create the shoulders. Now in your Cast of Thousands packs that you can download from the BCB website, there is an image in there that if you can print off, you can actually build your figure on top of the image to help you get the right proportions, because that can sometimes be a little bit tricky. But I've made quite a few of these figures in this project, so I've got used to it now. And the more you do, the better you will get as well. So just a tiny little bit there for the neck. And then we are just doing a nice round ball to add on for the head. Now this is just a really quick demonstration of how to do the basic figure. I'm going to show you a few little ways you can start then shaping and put them into different positions, but you can really take your time with yours, and you can add lots and lots of different you can add hair, you can add clothes, you can add shoes, accessories, whatever you want to give your figure lots of personality to best represent whoever it is you've decided to make. So there you go, really simple to make your basic figure, and then you can add whatever you want on top of that to create your superheroes. We are really looking forward to seeing them, so please share any photos you have of the drawings or the figures that you've made with us on our social media channels. We can't wait to see them, and I will see you next week for the next Clay at Home video.